Are you ready to bounce? Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shirley Michelle. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to be testing out a new product that I've never tried before and I'm really excited about. I'm going to try the Bounce Curl products. I'm so excited. How cute is that? Embrace the natural you with Bounce Curl. The Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner. The Avocado and Rose Oil Plump and Define Cream. And last but most certainly not least, the Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel. So with these three products and only these products, I'm going to style my hair and hopefully the results will be everything I expected and more. Separate hair in few sections while it is wet and apply a small amount of leave-in conditioner to each section. Layer on any other creams or gels if desired. Scrunch, air dry, or diffuse. Cool, so I'm gonna do just that. It still has this plastic seal on it. I can't wait to see if this is really worth the hype. So when I apply this product, or any product to my hair, I'm gonna try styling from the middle of it down, and then whatever excess product is left on my hands, I'll work a little bit into the root section, but not so much in the root. I don't want too much product in the root because then it's gonna be less voluminous, and I really want my hair to be big today. Now I'm going to use the Avocado and Rose Oil Plump and Define Cream. This product is extra concentrated, so apply a small amount of cream to sections of hair. Product is thick and hair must be wet for most effective distribution. After applying cream, scrunch hair, then air dry or diffuse. Tip: for volume, flip hair upside down. I usually apply a lot of product. I'm going to try to follow the directions and only use a small amount. Now that I've raked it all throughout my hair, I'm going to style it with the Denman brush. Now, I haven't done this before, but I learned this trick from a lot of different curly girl videos. Like Beans by Mel does this. So I'm going to try this method out. Hopefully it works out. So in order to get the most definition out of your styling technique, it's important to take vertical sections and then comb the product through the hair away from your scalp. Twist it a little bit. Keep doing that. And now for this section, instead of doing it one way or the other, I'm just going to do it straight up. Just crouch down here a little bit so you can see it. Start at the back. And now I'm going to do the last product, and I'm gonna be applying gel. Whoops, whoops, the gel. Okay, so the gel says, in the shower, completely rinse out shampoo and conditioner before applying Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. And for thick hair, apply your regular cream or leave-ins, which I already did, then distribute gel last. Scrunch, air dry, or diffuse. Try Bounce Curl Gel alone and see what kind of results you get. So I'm going to use this gel, and I'm just going to smooth it on. I'm not going to rake this product through my hair. There we go. Ooh, that smells good. Now it's time to diffuse. Where is my diffuser? Now I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on my fingertips because I want to fluff out my hair, but also I want to kind of separate some of these clumps. And I have to use the oil so that I don't cause frizziness. I love it. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Look at my hair. It's amazing. I don't know. This is just like, wow.